Alright, you guys, check it out. REDODO's new 140 amp hour smart Bluetooth battery. This 140 amp hour battery is in the same Group 31 size package as your standard 100 amp hour lithium battery. So you can upgrade your battery bank size without needing more space. You can see here we got 100 amp hour. Same size. Same width. Same depth. Exact same height. But 40 amp hours more in this battery. It does feel slightly heavier, so they must have squeezed more cells in there, which is awesome. More power for the same size. So if you want to upgrade your 100 amp hour battery, here's a great option for you. It's also got Bluetooth 5.0. It has 150 amp BMS, Group 31 size, 1,920 watts high power output, Bluetooth monitoring and control. Stay on top of things with Bluetooth. You can track charge, discharge status, cycles, temperature, and overall battery health, plus manage discharges and power off remotely. I tried Bluetooth on the 100 amp hour. I love it. I love the Bluetooth option. Real handy being able to shut things down remotely or see how much power you got or how much power you've used. This has an upgraded BMS for enhanced safety. The advanced battery management system protects against overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, short circuits, and low and high temperatures. It includes pre-charge functions and auto recovery from overload protection, and added protection against moisture and salt spray. These are scalable up to 4 in parallel, 4 in series, or 4 in parallel in a series of 4. Super fast charging, get a full charge in about 2 hours with a 70 amp, 14.6 volt lithium phosphate charger, and it will support up to 140 amps from solar panels, generators, or alternators for rapid energy replenishment. Trolling motor ready. The 140 amp Group 31 lithium battery with Bluetooth is ideal for 30 to 70 pounds of thrust trolling motors. Same Group 31 size, but 40 amp hours more. That is pretty cool. Easy way to upgrade your battery bank without having to modify battery mounts or anything. All right, just like the 100 amp hour Bluetooth, they have a handy little QR code on the top to get your REDODO app for either Android or Apple. Got the Bluetooth, it's got low temperature cutoff. If it gets below freezing, this will stop charging or discharging. You don't want to use lithium below freezing. I like the new strap, it looks fancy. I like the blue line. Big fan of these REDODO batteries. Be sure to check them out, links below. And that it is powered off, so we'll need to connect a charger to power it on. Alright, to wake it up, I'm going to use this 40 amp REDODO charger here. Be sure to check out their website, they got all different sizes of chargers. Blue is negative. You can also check the plug. Got little markings on them. Alright, that'll wake the battery up, and might as well go ahead and charge it. These are usually not shipped charged, so make sure you charge your battery when you get them. Alright, let's go ahead and get this set up with the Bluetooth app. This is my other 100 amp hour Bluetooth battery. That is in storage right now, shut down. So let's add our new battery here. Add via Bluetooth. Alright, you can see the new battery. I'm not so sure I shut down the other battery. It looks like it can see that too. I love this app thing with the batteries. It's really neat being able to see all this information just from your phone on your... Oh, this must be the new battery because it is charging. It says charging right there. You got 1 hour and 27 minutes left for charging. That is really awesome. We're at 58% on the battery here. 550 watts going in at 40 amps. 13.6 volts. Capacity is a little off because it's not charged yet, but cells are balanced. Battery's in optimal condition. BMS is working normally. Everything looking good. Temperature is 60.8 degrees. Cycle life is at 0. Brand new battery. Serial number, device name, handy information right there. Hard to read because it is white lettering on gray background, but I guess that's good for security reasons. Okay, so that's our charging battery. Let's see if this is still turned on. That is still turned on. No, that's the charging battery. Connect. Confirm. Okay, so yeah, that's sitting at 65%. I went ahead and drained the battery with a load. Ran a fan on it for a while because you don't want to store these at 100% for long term anyway. It's just not good for the batteries to store them at a full charge for a long period of time. So that's sitting at 65%. Let's go ahead and that's Bluetooth off. I don't want to turn Bluetooth off. I want to shut the whole battery down. Device controls. So let's go ahead and turn off the device. I'll give you 10 seconds and then it shuts down. So that battery is shut down. Refresh. So here, the 12140. The 12140. 12140. So that's that battery. So we'll keep an eye on our charging and come back in about an hour and 23 minutes. Pretty neat. I do love these Bluetooth batteries. Alright, fully charged and ready for use. Remote control, remote diagnostics. Pretty awesome setup here. Be sure to check them out. Links below. Alright, you guys, come on, hop over here to REDODO They got a battery size and shape for all your needs. They also have a lot of accessories, chargers, inverters, solar accessories. Like new batteries. Does that mean used? Hey, that's pretty awesome. They've got 12 volt, 24 volt, and 36 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries. Here is your 140 amp hour group 31 size battery. That is pretty awesome. They managed to squeeze more power into the same size package. Group 31 size with 40% more capacity. High power output. Bluetooth monitoring and control. Low temp cutoff protection. Upgraded BMS for enhanced safety. Top performance. Lithium iron. Prismatic cells. Scalable power. Super fast charging. Trolling motor ready. Great deal if you ask me. Come check them out. REDODOpower.com. They got everything you need for batteries and accessories. Links below. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day.